makeup artist, and in this video today I will teach you how to make your DIY face mask. So I will tell you how to make your own sheet mask at home using very few products: wet wipe, aloe vera, cucumber and little bit more. So to know about it, let's get into the video. Now I have the solution of aloe vera and cucumber that I made, and now I will be adding its skin aloe vera gel to get an extra hydration for my mask. Now to give my skin an extra glow, I will be using a vitamin E capsule which is easily available in any medical store. So now the solution is almost ready. Now let's start with the face mask. Now I will be using a wet wipe to make a face mask. Now all I have to ensure that all the solution already present in the wipe is already wiped out. So I will take a diluted water and take out all the solution present in the wipe. Now to cut the eyes, nose and the lips, I will fold the tissue into half and again refold it approximately 2 finger gap. So here, fold it into half and then again with the 2 finger gap. Now to cut the eyes, I will keep 4 finger gap, or you can even measure your forehead and then cut a slit here. So I am going to cut a round to get shape for the eyes. Now I have space for the eye like this. So after opening up this half, I will cut the area for the nose. So I keep 3 finger gap and cut a slit here for my nostrils and 1 slit on top. I'll keep 1 finger gap and cut the area for the lips. Now my sheet mask is ready. I will now take the solution and put my sheet mask in the solution so that all the serum is absorbed in my mask. And when you're dipping it, you have to ensure that you're putting this sheet mask on your face in less than a minute to make sure that all the product and all the solution present in this one is easily absorbed into your skin quickly. So I'm going to take out little solution from here, not too much, and put it on my face. So now my face mask is all ready. It's all adjusted according to my face. Now all I have to do is wait for 25 to 30 minutes for the serum to get all absorbed in my skin. Now it's already been 25 minutes and now let's take it out. So now I have all the serum on my face and now I'm going to massage it and pat it on my skin. So now this is the glow that I have from aloe vera, cucumber and vitamin E oil. So I hope you guys liked the video. Do try this at home, and for more such content, keep watching Foxy. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy.